How to edit a photo using Gemini on Android. This tutorial shows you how to use Gemini's AI tools to make quick edits to any image on your device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon next to the text field at the bottom to bring up the attachment options. After that, tap Gallery and select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. At this point, the image will appear in the chat. Now type what kind of edit you want in the text field. For example, you could say something like, remove the background, make this look like a painting, or add a sunset sky in the background. From there, tap Send and give Gemini a moment to process your request. Following this, once the edited image appears, tap and hold on it to bring up the Save option. After that, tap Save to download it directly to your gallery. Finally, if you're not happy with the result, just type a follow-up prompt describing what you want changed, and Gemini will generate a new version for you. Keep in mind that Gemini's image editing is AI-powered, so results can vary depending on how detailed your prompt is. The more specific you are, the better the output. That's how you edit photos using Gemini on Android. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.